I really do think that it's kennel cough. Welcome back, my beautiful Afam. Now, today was supposed to be a different type of video, a more fun type of video. We were supposed to go to Disneyland today, but Ace got sick. I think Ace has a kennel cough, and I think he got it from other dogs at his birthday party. Not specifically our group, but maybe a group before had it and he caught it because another one of our dogs that were there got it too. I don't think it's anything too serious. He's just coughing and throwing up white foam type spit, which is normal, but I don't know. I'm not a vet. We're actually going to the vet. It's been going on for the last 3 days. It got really bad yesterday, and today it's way better. But he's still, you know, not feeling good. So obviously, we didn't go to Disneyland today. Of course, my service dog's health is way more important than Disneyland. So I'm gonna get him all fixed up, feeling better. Maybe, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but once he is better, we will still go to Disneyland. I just want to get him better. So I'm gonna post this video of my service dog getting sick because it happens and it's a normal thing. It's part of having a dog, raising a puppy.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
It's just part of having a pet in general, not just a service dog. So I'm gonna film, we're going to the vet, I'm gonna film his cough, I'm just gonna give you a little, what is it? I'll let you guys know if it's kennel cough in case your dog's doing this or if it's something else. But yeah, so this is going to be not a fun video. It's gonna be pretty sad. We're gonna probably see Ace a little under the weather. So I just checked his poop. Everything is okay with his poop. No signs of anything in it. Pretty solid, not runny, it's normal. That's a really good sign. I honestly just think it's kennel cough, but we will hear from the vet in a few hours. He's not doing his little coughing right now. He's been spitting up white foam, but he's been pretty okay for now. It might be kennel cough. It probably is. He probably got it from another dog when we went to his birthday party. I don't think any of the dogs had it that showed up, but there was other dogs before our birthday party that could have had it.
Come on, damn it.
Then you give 2 times to spend off every 24 hours, okay? You don't want to make sure you're everything with you. You don't want to send something.
Yeah.
It's gotta be small. The only issue with it is I think.
Here. Good boy. I know you're sick, baby. I know you're sick.
I have 11 and 9 a.m.
Here.
Hi.
No,
I mean,
oh my god. Okay, guys. So we are back from the vet. We got back a couple hours ago, actually. So here's the deal. The vet gave us some medication. He has kennel cough, like I thought. He's gonna be fine. It's basically a cold, but for dogs. It's completely normal. A lot of dogs get this. and it's easily transmittable through dog to dog, just like a cold is to humans. He's gonna be good. I'll get him his antibiotics and cough medicine for maybe a week, or if he doesn't need it, half a week, whatever. And then he should be good to go within a week. We have another appointment at the vet in a week to see how he's doing. And then after that, he should be good enough. And then the week after that one, we should be going to Disneyland because he should be good by then. If he's not, then we will go to Disneyland whenever he's better. But we are still going, so get ready for that vlog. I just want to update you and post this video saying that kennel cough is pretty normal for dogs. And you shouldn't worry if your dog gets it. Just take him to the vet. They'll give you some antibiotics and it should be gone within a couple days or to a week. So I hope you love this video. I hope it helps. And a side note also, not all kennel coughs are the same, as I just learned today from my vet. You can have more of a serious case. Ace doesn't have a so serious case. It's kind of a mild case. His coughing is just like, some dogs' cough is more like a honking sound, really deep in the throat, and some kennel cough coughs are just not as bad. So I just learned that today. I hope that helps you. If your dog is coughing and throwing up white foam type stuff, that's completely normal. That's the body reacting. Now, if it's a different color, like yellow or something, take him to the vet right away. If your dog is not eating, take him to the vet right away. But yeah, so I hope you like this video and I hope it helps you in case your dog gets kennel cough. So that's it from us today. Subscribe, like the video, and yeah. Oh my god.